Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. We are eating crumble. Got the mini size lang kasi diet kami. Here, so this is the crumble of the week. We have milk. Let's try the milk chocolate chip first. Sarap. Ang sarap. Try coconut cream pie next.
My turn.
Ano? Named.
I like it. Mahilig ako sa coconut eh. Ang sarap. This is chocolate milkshake. Ang sarap din. Isang bite lang ako kasi diet ako. Next is brookie. Crunchy. I like crunchy cookies. So I like this one. This one is pink donut. Siguro ito yung pinaka hindi ko gusto. It's too vanilla. But it's good. But just not for me. This one is cinnamon roll. I feel like this one's gonna be good. Sarap. Nasa siyang cinnamon. Sarap guys. Sana may ganito na sa Pilipinas. Ito yung pinaka gusto ko. Chocolate chip. Tapos, I like this one rin, the coconut. Tapos yung brookie. Tapos cinnamon. Chocolate. And then this one. Yung last. Ayoko na guys. I ate so much calories today.